Gentleman's recognized for 1 minute.
Mr. Speaker, I rise today in recognition of Women's History Month. Since President Reagan's administration, we have designated the month of March as a time to acknowledge the enormous impact that generations of women have had on all of our lives. I have been blessed to have many strong women in my life, from the medical professionals who work by my side at both the Iron Mountain VA and Dickinson County Memorial Hospital, to the strong women in my family, and finally to the many members of Congress that I am humbled to serve beside today. It is important to recognize the diverse and irreplaceable contributions that these women and so many others have made to our society, while also acknowledging that there is still much work to be done. While we recognize Women's History Month this March, we should honor the important role that women play in our society every day and do our part to ensure that everyone has the opportunity to make their mark in the future. Thank you. I yield back.